Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be opening some boxes. Well, we're going to open a box, and it's a very special box to me because it matches the hat. Matches it's Pete's Pirate Life hat, and I got a second one, so I thought I'd unbox it and show you guys because I'm pretty stoked on it. It's basically the same hat, just stressed. But I want to open it on here, show you guys the hat, and just make a video, just share my first impressions of the hat with you guys. And yeah, so we're going to open this bad boy up. I love the packaging on this. The tape is just the logo, which is pretty dope. I love that. So yeah, we're gonna open this bad boy up. Yeah, got my knife to open it. This is probably my favorite knife I own right now. It's the Gerber whatever, I don't even know what kind. I just like the carbon fiber kind of ish look to it. I think it looks pretty dope. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up here. It's gonna be a really short video because it's nothing super interesting, but I thought I'd just share my first impressions with you guys of the hat, and just yeah. All right, box is open. Oh, I love the Pete's Pirate Life stuff because it comes it's so nicely packaged. Look at this, it's so nicely packaged. It's in its own little case here. My battery's gonna die here actually right away on my camera. Oh, look at this hat. Stressed look. Oh, got the nice smell to it. Oh, beautiful. Love it. What else is in here? There's something else in here, I think. Oh, Pete's Pirate Life sticker. Nice. Score. Alright, I'm gonna keep this boat bag because that's a sick, dope little bag. Look at that. Pete's Pirate Life logo on there. Yeah, it's pretty rad. But yeah, that's the hat. That's the hat. So let's try it on here quick. Nice fit. Oh, buddy. I didn't take the plastic out, but my camera battery's about to die here. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like rate. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully we can get some more videos like this and open some more packages together. I might make a new thing called mail time because I also have some more packages coming right away, and maybe I'll just open those and make this one big video. I don't know. But hopefully I will see you guys in my next video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.